Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use free text to video AI generator. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for HyperAEI. Now open the first website and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, click on the Try for Free button at the center and you will be prompted to sign in using your Google or Discord account. After signing in, you will see a bunch of public projects that people created. Here, you can see that there are a bunch of features that you can use, like creating a video using text and animating an image. Let's try the first feature. Simply select it and enter the prompt of the video you would like to generate. But if you don't know what to do, you can ask ChatGPT to write a scenario for you. Once you have got the prompt, enter it and click on Create. After that, wait for it to complete and you can see that a video has been generated. Now, let's try the image animation feature. For that, tap on it, upload the image and again enter the prompt to describe the type of animation you want. And you can see that the results are just phenomenal. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.